on the objective
Guys,
now.
there's 3 doorways in this spawn. We could camp each one.
We should.
Get
We
that
should. Okay. Here we go.
Should we, like, what, 120 maybe?
One. Get the back door.
Record this.
They're so funny.
Oh no, I got team killed.
Unathletic, emaciated, funny little kid. Funny. You're so funny. Ha ha ha.
Hey, you're the one that's trapped in spawn, fuckface.
You're the one who's ugly. It's okay. That's why you're
Oh, how did you guys let him take B? What are you, retarded?
Oh, you're so funny. YouTube channel. Can I subscribe and make it 21 subscribers? Oh, look, it's the pro YouTuber.
Jordy pro YouTuber time.
I'm just gonna follow this guy and get in his way.
You should. Yes. Yes. I approve of this strategy.
Dude, please fuck off. You're really not funny. I know it's funny for you to try to scream, you fucker, but it's not funny.
Weight thing going.
So salty.
You gotta fit in on a video game, that's why I'll just name.
Attacking us for tags. Now we gotta kill him.
You gotta fight back.
Everyone's happened once.
Okay.
With an alternate.
So we just gonna poke him? Just poke him?
Yeah, poke him.
Poke him.
Once. Did you shoot him? Ooh. No, you can't do it.
So, like, what makes you toxic? I'm just curious, just like honest.
The saltiness.
No. It's not because of salty. Like an honest, like logical, like debate question. What makes you salty?
We're not all in Discord together, we're just having a great time. It's just a video game.
Yeah, no. I understand it's just a game, but like, what purpose of this these people up? That's toxic. It's not.
No, it's funny.
I mean, it may be funny to you, but is
Poking you is toxic?
Toxic. No, not poking you. Just body blocking the objective.
I see nothing wrong with that. Do you? Oh, we can block the doorways on this one.
Oh no! No!
This is a nice doorway.
We should invite him to the Ultra Discord.
No sense here. You guys really shouldn't be doing this.
Why not?
Why?
Because it's the same reason you shouldn't do it in regular Insurgency. You should just let people have fun in their video games.
Yeah, we're having fun.
Okay, but that, I mean, you could say that about any team killer.
No.
Yes, there.
No.
Yes.
No. We've done nothing wrong. We actually never team killed anyone until he decided to be toxic.
The reason. I'm honestly not sure if you have a brain.
Just terrible. I wanna go that way.
I wanna go that way!
The poisonous clouds spread beyond borders, across much of the northern hemisphere. Washed into the earth by the rain, the radioactive dust lives on in plants, animals, and human beings.